Well, hello everybody on YouTube. Just got a quick video of this, quick cold start video of this 1979 Chevy ambulance. Now it is currently about 10 below zero. As you can see, there's snow everywhere. Very cold for these carbureted vehicles to start in cold weather. It might not even start, but we will find out, won't we? Okay, now as you can see, I have a makeshift gas tank set up right here. And it should run. This hasn't been ran in over 100 years, so I'm skeptical that it will run. But I threw a battery in there, got my gas tank, because all other shit's bad. We got a 400 small block V8 in this bad boy right here. Now as you can see, it's got the rigging for all the lights, all that cool shit. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a start. Ambulance cold start. Let's pump that up a bit. Okay. Now that we're ready to start it, let's see here. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. Fuck. It was just fucking running. What is this bullshit? Now it's running. Oh yeah. Got our lights up here. We got all this shit. Boom, 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 boom. It's like I'm in a spaceship. Look at this shit. Got a radio.